Hello guys, welcome to Tech Dada. Today I'm showing how to change your voice in your PC and real-time live streaming. Also, you can gameplay with changing voice. So I tried so many applications for voice changing, but not satisfaction I get. Okay, at last I think this application is one of the best application for voice changing in real time. Okay, so smooth. Okay, let's go. We tutorial made a tutorial video. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. Okay, let's go. Huteki soundboard. Okay, huteki.com is special website. I downloaded free download for Windows. Already I downloaded. Okay, open folder. You can easily download and install. So need sometimes. Hey guys, so finally I downloaded Huteki soundboard and already installed it my PC. So now open Huteki soundboard software. It's full tutorial how to change your voice, how to sound setting. Okay, everything I details described in this video. I showing Huteki soundboard is running. Okay, welcome. Start now. You can one-time payment $49. Okay, you can buy and this software permanently. So what this? You need to setting here volume 100 or select microphone your best quality original microphone select and volume. Hello, noise reduction. Here we can reduce noise 40. Now any noise we can hear. Okay, so apply voice changer is stop here myself stop. I think you cannot hearing my original voice changing sound. Okay, now I need to change something for here is OBS setting properties microphone. I need to change. Here is WDM Huteki soundboard. This is sounds this is virtual audio device Huteki soundboard microphone. Okay, virtual microphone for Huteki soundboard. Okay, now you can hearing my original sound. Okay, I also hear myself and apply voice changer applied. Now one setting. Okay, now I change my voice. And little boy. Okay, try now. Little boy download করতে হবে. I download this voice. Need some times.
Now I change male to female. Okay, I think you can hearing my changing voice. Okay, hello guys, welcome to Tech Dada. Thank you for watching my video. You can also like my video. Okay, 100 like please, 100 like. I think you can understanding and hearing my voice changing how it's changed at real time. Okay,
Little boy voice. How are you? Hello. Hi. Can you hear me? It's little boy voice.
now female. Hello, I love you, Sona. Wow. Oh. Oh. Hello guys, what's up? So it is cool voice, so cool voice. I think you hearing my clearly voice. Low female voice. Low female voice is not a good, I think. So every time changed voice, every day changed voice here you can free available voice. So paid voice you can get here is free voices. Okay. Every time change it.
Alto boy. Hello? 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 Deep strong voice. Hello? Hello? It is good.
I think male voice is so good. Hello. Hi. Okay.
So guys, you can understand this is actually best. I think this is actually best software for free voice changing and real time. Okay. You can also pay it just $49 for lifetime. Okay. So guys, it is my video. You can change your voice in your any gameplay and in live streaming OBS. You can change everywhere. Okay. Thank you. Goodbye and subscribe my channel.